Hey, the first thing is this. You need to train yourself. And this is something that I've had to like really push myself. I was actually talking to my wife about this the other day. And the thing that I came to realize is I said, when I first started in my first sales company, I changed myself. And she's like, what do you mean by that? And I was like, I had to change myself because I was so lazy. I had to basically get the laziness out of me in order for me to be successful. And so that goes to number one, which is to train yourself for what's hard. Train yourself for what is hard. Train yourself to do what you need to do. Train yourself to basically, if you train yourself right now and do what's hard, it makes the hard things that come